Is that the Congress and the NCP will be fighting the Maharashtra Assembly polls together. This decision was taken after the meeting between Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi and NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar. Nandita Suneja with us for more on this. Now, Nandita, there's been a lot of back and forth over seat sharing between these two parties. Have they been able to come to an understanding regarding that, considering why they've gone ahead and made the announcement that they will be fighting the polls together?
Well, there is huge anti-incumbency against the Maharashtra government and also against the Congress, considering that the UPA was in power for 10 years. And of course, NCP was part of that government here in Delhi as well. So there is anti-incumbency at both the center and state level. And many believe that it is going to be an extremely difficult election for them to come back. And that's why they've thought it best to fight together in spite of a lot of differences over certain issues, whether it's insurance or other issues here in Delhi and even on seat sharing. But today a meeting took place between Sharad Pawar and Sonia Gandhi at her residence, and finally it was announced and decided that they are going to be fighting together. The arrangement has not yet been announced, but sources telling us that as compared to last elections where the NCP fought on 114 out of 288, this time they are expected to get at least 5 to 10 seats more from the Congress.
So they are expected to get more seats. Nandita, any other details that we know from that meeting that took place between Sonia Gandhi and Sharad Pawar? Because there was a rift really brewing between the two allies. Remember, Ajit Pawar's demand for 144 seats out of 288 had been completely, disregarded and rejected by the Congress. Are they working towards some sort of a solution?
Well, yes, this time the NCP had started bargaining from a point of, from a half point really, and it said that we should be fighting on half of the total strength of the assembly, which works out to be 144 out of 288. But the Congress had said that they would not agree to that kind of an arrangement. That's why we understand that some compromise has reached. It's not a halfway point, but at the same time, it is more than 114, which is what NCP fought on earlier. We are expecting that finally, when it is announced, it will be somewhere between 120 to 25 is what NCP will fight on.